How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out the Snagmag. This is a Glock magazine holster for right-handed concealed carrying. It is like a pocket clip or a magazine for all your Glocks. Now you're going to want to check their compatibility and make sure you order the correct one. They do offer everything from a Glock 43 all the way to a 33 and much more. So go ahead and check out the Amazon posting to see what they offer. Now inside the package you're going to receive the clip itself, and at first glance you're going to notice it is a pretty durable feeling poly material with a metal pocket clip on it. Now this clip is very strong feeling. It is riveted in here. Does not seem like it's going to ever go anywhere. You do have a nice little finger grab right here. It is going to go down in your pocket. To install the magazine, it's very simple. You are just going to slide it in, and just like that, you can see that it's not going to fall out or go anywhere. Now I'm wearing shorts, so I'm just going to show you how easy this is. Now I have the Snagmag right here, and all you have to do is clip it in your pocket. This is a Glock 17 magazine, which is usually a little bit on the big side. It's a larger handgun. But if you go down to like a Glock 19 and you clip that into your pocket, as you can see, it is very concealed, and it is really easy to remove and get to, leaving the Snagmag behind. Now, Snagmag, like I said, offers tons of different sizes for your different Glock needs. So make sure you check out their listing and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped. Have a great day.